Hello students, open your English textbook on page number 74. Okay. See, grammar session, reading and writing skill, compliments. Read these sentences. Read this sentence. Musa is a clever man. Question. What is Musa? Answer. A clever man. A clever man completes the sentence. Therefore, we call it the compliment. Understood? We sometimes end a sentence with a compliment. See. Next page. Match correctly. One is done for you. Musa is his friend. Okay. Now next. Abu Ali is sitting on his donkey. The donkeys are walking behind Abu Ali. Understood? See the next. Fill in the blanks with suitable compliments from those given below. On time, in the kitchen, his grandmother, in his kennel, on the table. Okay? See the first. My dog sleeps in his kennel. Okay? She is working in the kitchen. The old woman standing near him is his grandmother. We reached the station on time. The books are lying on the table. Okay? See the next concept. Nouns, countable and uncountable. Okay? Read these sentences. There are two birds in the sky. 1, 2. There are 3 apples in the dish. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now next. Read these sentences. There is some water in the jug. Is there any butter in the dish? Means we can count birds, apples like 1, 2, 3. But we cannot count water in numbers. So we use some. Okay. This is called uncountable, and which we can count in numbers, that called countables. Understood? See the words birds, apples, water and butter are nouns, but there is a difference. We can count birds and apples, but we cannot count water and butter. Okay? Turn the page. Nouns that we can count are countable nouns. Nouns that we cannot count are uncountable nouns. Understood? Listen carefully. With countable nouns we use numbers. For example, 2, 4. With uncountable nouns we usually use some or any. Understood? See the next. Fill in the blanks with some or any. There is any lemonade in the jug. Okay? Next, do you have some water in the jug? There isn't some milk in the bottle. Give me some rice to eat. Okay, see the next. Look at the pictures and make sentences using countable or uncountable noun. Okay. Is there any tea in the cup? Which noun we can use? Uncountable. So some tea is in cup. Okay. There are how many flowers? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flowers in a vase. Okay. Look, there are 1, 2 kites. I want some orange juice. Understood? Now next, reading and writing skill. Circle the words that means the same as the word in red. Ahead. Ahead means forward. Understood? So circle this word. After a while means after some time. So circle this word. Okay. Now this is a very interesting activity for you. Write a word with the last letter of the word before it. See, car, rain, nest, tea, apple, egg. Green means, see the last alphabet, and from that you have to start the new word. Like that you have to solve these. Okay. Now turn the page. Reading and writing skill. We use a question mark to ask a question. Okay. Example, what are the elephants doing? And question mark. Now use full stop or question mark to end each sentence. What is your name? This is question, so put question mark at the end. Rani is picking up the phone. This is a sentence, simple sentence, so put the full stop at the end. I am going to school. Put the full stop. Where is my bag? This is a question, so put the question mark. Now next is writing skill. Number the sentences in correct order to make a funny story. One is done for you. Okay. See, here are some clues. We have to arrange them properly and make a interesting story. So first one is, Bhikkhu finds a bag of gold coins. Second, he digs a hole in the floor of his cottage and hides the bag there. Third, he worries that someone can steal the gold coins. Fourth, Lakhu comes to Bhikkhu's cottage when no one is there. Fifth, he sees the writing on the wall and guesses the truth. Sixth, he writes on the wall, no gold is hidden in the floor of my house. Okay. You have to arrange some clues I had given. You have to arrange it properly and write the story. Understood? You have to solve the pages in textbook and send me the photocopy. Okay. Thank you.